Hi, I'm Steve, and you're watching Ram Beast Projects. And no, the Beast mods are not done by any means. They're actually going to be blowing up here very soon, so you guys got to keep watching. But it's not all about the truck. It's about life. It's about the wife's car, and it's also about Chase, who I met randomly. Chase is a junior in high school, and he has a mobile detailing business.
That's right.
Yeah, I know it's not a new concept or anything like that, but this guy is plugging away, a junior in high school. It reminds me of me when I was in high school, because I used to do the same thing. I worked for a dealership. I was a wash boy, but I did it on the side. I went to people's houses and washed their cars. He's probably much more skilled than I was in high school, because technology these days,
That's
I mean,
true.
all the new things that are out.
We do anything from basic washes all the way up to paint corrections and ceramic coatings. You can follow us on Facebook at Attention to Detail PA. A lot of before and after pictures on there of my work. You guys can go check it out. Gonna be taking care of the big beast right here.
She is filthy.
Yes, she is.
We're actually going to go to a show tonight in Pottstown. I'm going to let Chase get back to work. I got to show you something else that I got for the truck that's coming up very soon. Alright guys, what I have here is my 456 gears. I got them from East Coast Gear Supply. And I also got a Mag-Hytec rear diff cover. So I can't wait to get this installed on the Beast. Like I said, the Beast mods haven't stopped. And someone commented in the comments that the wife took over the YouTube channel. No, the wife took over Ram Beast merch. I am still taking care of the YouTube channel. No worries there. Beast mods are still going to continue.
Totally no worries there. Absolutely not. False. No.
No. So the Beast mods are going to continue, and there's going to be plenty more. There's going to be plenty more Ram content, truck content, and additional autos. And subscribers' trucks are going to be in the videos.
So what would be so wrong if I did take over?
Nothing.
Exactly.
I
have no desire.
She does not like to edit by any means. I tried to teach her at one point, and the struggle was real. Nope.
I mean, when you're perfect, you don't really need to edit that much. So I'm not very good at it because I'm perfect in life.
Alright, go put some clothes on.
You don't like my tail?
Back to the gears. I purchased these from East Coast Gear Supply, and they actually gave me an excellent deal. One of the best deals that I could find on the internet. And the Mag-Hytec diff cover I purchased from Garofalo Enterprises, Mikey G. If you guys are in the market for Cummins or diesel performance products, make sure you hit up Mikey, and make sure you hit up East Coast Gear Supply for your gears. Those guys are very knowledgeable. They knew exactly what I needed with the information I provided them on my truck. And a lot of other places I wasn't getting that. Like a lot of places that sell gears didn't really know what type of gears had to go in my truck. Well, these guys knew what I needed. So check them out. They're not, I got a good deal, but it wasn't any special deal for the channel or anything like that. They're not paying me to say this. It's just that the process was very smooth. I sent an email request in for a quote. A guy named Curtis, I don't know his last name, sorry Kurt if you're watching this video, I don't know. I'll send the video to you, why not? He supplied the quote. It was very quick. It was within 24 hours. And then I asked him for some additional information because I told him I was ordering a larger diff cover for my rear diff, and I needed more gear oil. So he added that to the quote instantly within like 2 minutes or so. I wouldn't say instantly, but within 2 minutes or so. And I ordered it. It was at my doorstep the next day. That's how quick it was. I am on the East Coast though. So yeah, definitely smooth process. Ordering process, and right now I'm working out some things to get them installed with a local garage, a local shop here in Chester County, Pennsylvania. So stay tuned. I can't wait to put this gear swap in my truck. I can't wait to swap these gears out to finally protect my transmission because those 37-inch tires. I can't wait. I can't freaking wait. This has been a long time coming, and you guys have been following me for a while. You know. So looking forward to doing this install, and of course you guys want to see that, right? Comment below if you want to see that installation. One of the awesome things about having a mobile detail service is that you can leave and run errands, and you don't have to stay here and wait or drop off your car and go pick up your car. It's going to be at home when it's done. Let's see how far Chase is.
4.5 foot polished right now. Using Car Pro Essence on it. It's polish made for ceramic coatings, gets the scratches out, gives it a nice shine. Also works as a sealant that'll work for about 6 months on the car. This side of the hood isn't done yet, but that side of the hood and all the way over is all done. So far we gave it a pre-wash treatment, then we did a full wash with a 2-bucket method. Went through, cleaned the wheels, wheel wells, and we did even foam the underside of the car. After that we did run some clay over it because there was a lot of contaminants embedded into the clear coat from the winter with all the debris on the road. So after the clay bar I did IPA wipe down, and then right now I'm going over it with the Car Pro Essence polish, and I'm going to give it a nice wax, and that should cover the paint.
Awesome. All right, man. Well, we'll leave you to it. We're going to run some errands. We got to go to a birthday party now. Look, Kylie's chilling with her stunner shades. Yeah, I heard you got grilled by the kids.
Oh, I did. All 3 of them down there probably were playing about 20 questions, but I can't really call that. It's more about 100 questions.
That's what she said. We were asking him all these questions, and he answered every single one. But sorry, ladies, he has a girlfriend. I found out from a 7-year-old.
Next Saturday, we'll be at the Wagontown Firehouse, located at Wagontown, Pennsylvania, off of West Kings Highway. I'll have all that information in the description below if you guys want to stop out and say hi. Unfortunately, the wife will not be at that show, but Kendall.
I really wish I was.
Kendall and I, the wife's going camping with the Girl Scouts, but Kendall and I will be at that show. It's Saturday morning. I think it starts at 11, but I'll have all that information in the description. And then we'll be in Ocean City, Maryland from May 17th to May 20th. So if you guys are, yeah, hurry up, we're ready to go. So if you guys are in the area or are gonna be in Ocean City, Maryland during that week, it's Cruise in Ocean City, Maryland, let us know. I'm probably gonna send some information out on Instagram for a meetup. There's a group of guys that, in a club that I'm a member of, it's called PA Modern Mopars. They're meeting up, so I'm probably gonna just piggyback with them, meet up with them, and I'll let everyone know that location if you guys want to swing by and say hi. It's a good time, and we also go out in Assateague Island that weekend. Can't wait.
Oh my God.
We are so overdue.
Dude, I can't even right now.
So overdue for that. So I'm saying a lot of so's. And then we got the Carlisle Truck Nationals in August. The first Saturday in August. It's actually Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but the best day is Saturday. We'll be there from Thursday night till Sunday around noon. So you got to keep that in mind too. We'll be at that one. See, I'm giving you guys all this information early so you can make arrangements to come to the show and say hi. What are you doing here?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. It's probably so loud. I'm a last minute hero. Party started an hour ago,
yeah,
and I just went shopping.
We gotta go because we gotta leave early to go to this show.
3, 2, 1. The glory.
Wow, dude, he knocked it out of the park. I mean, this is, wow. Chase, my man, you do good work. I'm impressed, I'm not gonna lie. I had a little bit of doubts, you know, being a junior in high school, but you got skills. Look at this truck. He did an outstanding job. So check this out, Kylie. From now on, thanks to Jam Handles, which I paid for this, just to let everyone know, I purchased these. They're reasonable. Trust me, they're not a lot of money, and they're worth it.
Yeah.
This is how you're gonna close the door from now on. You're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna go whoop, just like that. Wanna try it?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait,
Hold on. Take your fingers in there and pull the door closed. Really hard. Good. Good job. Nice. High fives. All right, we gotta hightail it out of here, but dude, Heddy, come on.
He did good. He did awesome.
Daddy?
I'm impressed. Great. Junior in high school.
You know what? There's not too many of him like out there.
Look at that. He conditioned the seats, cleaned them, then conditioned the leathers, and then put protectant over top of it.
Yeah, you should go in.
Like the right way? Mom,
Chase, thank you. I don't know, D&T's got competition now. Sorry, Dave. and he's a former student of yours too.
That part.
Wow.
It's funny, he had his...
Oh yeah, he was a student of his.
Oh, that's awesome.
But they're talking about working together, so that'll be good. I'm going to see if I can put that connection together on Friday when this truck needs another show prep.
Yeah, most definitely.
But yeah, we're set for the summer now, guys. I mean, I'm happy, very, very happy. But I'm also in a hurry. We got to run. We got to run. We got to be in Pottstown like well, an hour ago.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Made it.
We made it.
That's what it's about, you know? Spending time with cool people, with awesome rides, with your family. That's what it's about. And drinking monsters.
He needs a sponsorship.
Yeah,
Monster.
I need a sponsorship.
Get on that monster.
Like for real. Look at the wife hooking up the shots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next upload. Love you guys.